When I tell you, say now you are gonna marry. This our love.
It's Junior first year birthday. I must celebrate it in a grand style.
But I'm yet to recover from the 6 million that I spent during our wedding. Don't tell me that. Look at
Jesus is Lord.
Where do you think you are running to?
Oh my days.
Honey, you have nothing to be scared about.
What?
Wedding plan can take charge of all your events, even your birthday and shopping. Do you know you wouldn't have spent up to 6 million naira in our wedding if wedding plan was in charge?
with wedding plan, we can do the part 2 of our wedding. And Gino's birthday in a grand style. Let us go inside and do one iduplor. What you call?
Baby, will you be my Juliet? I could be your Romeo. Baby, come be my Juliet.